Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today, I will show you how to lock an app on your phone. First, go to your phone's setting. Scroll down and tap on the security or privacy option depending on your phone model. Look for the app lock feature and enable it. Set up a password, PIN, or pattern if prompted. Select the apps you want to lock from the list provided. That's it. Your selected apps are now locked and secured. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.